today is June 3, Monday, and I'm here at Cafe Breton Trinoma, and me and my MMUA officers are going to meet with the Glory of New York team, and hopefully we can have a great conversation with them and bonding time as well. So, see you.
Sobrang bagal namin mag-ramp kasi we're really filter all the makeup artists. Anyway, we cannot accommodate more than 25 because we plan to send them to workshops, send them to schools.
And it's more of a second family. Parang hirap we can provide your makeup family.
Yes, exactly. Because you know what? We're going to Singapore and then we're gonna study there. So our officers, airbrush and special effects.
When you use it, you have to wash your face first with the facial cleanser, and then after that, you can use the skin enzyme kit. It's a gel type formula. So as you buff it on your skin, parang nagli-liquid siya. No, this is the skin enzyme gel. It's a gel type formula.
Hindi na pala tayo
Look how gorgeous the shades of Glorious New York products is.
Kasi we plan to parang get our own place, yung studio headquarter ng MMUA. Kasi when we grow, syempre we need our own place to do our workshop. So syempre, sabi namin, since we're doing that, we also need to have products. And
Are you trying the lipstick?
So pumunta tayo ng Shine. Ito na pala.
Yung
Powder.
How was it? Really nice. Very matte, no?
Kapag may mga iba pang pwede i-try ninyo.
Ayan,
Other shades. Other shades of lipstick.
It's like NARS, yung cover na.
Yeah.
Tapos nilagyan niya.
Dami baby hair.
Concentrated on the stuff. It has a pump that directly
Serum lang talaga.
Yes, serum siya.
I need
Clear,
that.
parang clear gel.
Alam mo, nagpapa-injection pa ako.
No, that's really nice.
Para siyang leave-on conditioner.
Dapat bigyan niyo rin kami yan. Single, hihingi. Ako lang yata pwede yun. Ano ka ba? LDR lang. Long distance. Singapore. I have upcoming Hong Kong.
Si Joyce, gusto mo din nun?
Hindi.
Hi everyone! This is Bing Castro of the Project Awesome. Bing Project Awesome on YouTube. So I just want to invite you guys to check out Glory of New York Philippines and Queen Bee, which is the official online distributor of Glory of New York Philippines. So you can find everything from there, from skincare to cosmetics. And we have an upcoming clearance sale, so you can check that out. Everything for lower prices. So, yon, stay tuned for that.
Okay.
And we have new collection. Yon.
When will it be?
I think at the end, last week of June or early week of July. So, please stay tuned for that.
Thank you so much.
Hi everyone. We are the Manila Makeup Artists Association, and we are here with the marketing executives of Glory of New York. That's Misty and Bing. And we are just so honored and we are so happy because they are providing us really good quality products. And these products, as you can see, are from New York. They gave us a loot bag worth 13K just for the skincare. See? And then lipsticks, everything, product overload. So please do watch out for our events, and you guys have a great day and God bless.
Thank you.